let's talk about that next thing. Like, what are your like? Where's it all going? Like, as it relates to AI, you're right there. You're helping train artificial intelligent agents. You're providing piles and piles of training data. Like, where do you see your work really pushing things forward? Like, what's the big demand for your work? Can you like give us a sense of the AI customers that are the hungriest for synthetic data, and the fields that those are pushing forward?
Yeah, I think we're really focused, especially on computer vision. It's about to just explode right now. It's one of the two really kind of success stories of the deep learning revolution that kind of happened in the past 10 years. Natural language processing being the other one. So all that kind of assistance and kind of voice-based interfaces are one half of it, but kind of the intelligence that you can get from just a very cheap cell phone camera attached on some edge computing device like a Raspberry Pi, that's starting to get very, very impressive. And there's a lot of little situations where you could use an intelligent device to kind of make something better, make something faster, more efficient, reduce inspection, and generally just automate the world, right? And just the nature of the way that people are going to have to design these intelligent systems is that there's always going to be all these little applications that pop up, tons of little startups over the next 10, 20 years that come up and they need a way to get data for this little problem that they're trying to solve and make a big company out of. And that's where we can really help them out, right? By kind of taking data away from this practice where you just collect from your users and becoming more like an AWS or a GCP where really you just farm it at some marginal electricity cost plus X.